Feeling good today. Today's a new day in Geneva. Today is, I think, day 5 or day 6. So sunny. Look at the sun. My makeup is tea and I'm really loving it. I did a tutorial as well. We're currently discussing where to go.
And then take
either Annecy or Megève. Yeah.
We don't have to
But since we're in Europe,
in
we
Megève
want
2
to
nights.
kind of
They have ice skating rink in Megève now.
Sam,
Yeah.
you can hold this. And cheers. Yeah. Because
So we got our cappuccino.
This place just
pita
opened,
bread,
but if
this is
it
the
might get
eggplant,
it shouldn't stop.
and then this is, what is this?
This is pumpkin mohmara. Delicious.
Alright, we got the cod, and then the potatoes, and then the roasted eggplant. Sam. So we're in Manure, and they have labubus. They literally have labubus. This one is for 50 francs. There's NYX lip liners.
And we can have some more.
Whoa.
My sister-in-law will be there.
Okay, so today we're at Sam and Max's house and they're cooking for us.
love giving him his those.
So this is the little setup. That's a little setup. I'm really excited. Okay, so we're starting off.
This one is Sam.
Aperol Spritz.
Aperol Spritz. You have to mix them. Yeah.
Everyone got their own.
Bang this.
Sam made homemade apple crumble and vanilla ice cream.
Oh. Her mom is.
Good job, Sam! So apparently this is the best cheesecake in Geneva. So this is how the cheesecake looks like. This is my first time trying the best cheesecake in all of Geneva. Cheers. Wow. Wow. That is really good. Definitely for Biscoff lovers. So right now we're just waiting for Sam and Mags to get the car so that we can drive to Annecy, and it is so sunny today. It's insane. We're currently at the border of France and Geneva, and this is how it looks like. This is literally how it looks like. And now we are in France, right?
Yeah.
We're in France now. Oui, oui.
Bonsoir.
So this is authentic French fish and chips. That is the Portobello burger. And Sam is drinking beer for his lunch. And my mom's Caesar salad. So we're currently in Annecy. This is Annecy. Ah. So this is our view in Annecy. Mom, move your head. This is our view. It's beautiful. It's of the main square. There is a Russian fireplace right there.
Because you're in heat tech, Mom. We're freezing. I'm freezing.
This is the kitchen, and that's the view of the kitchen. That is beautiful. The kitchen is quite small. Like my head is like hitting the my head is like hitting the top of that. So we're gonna go for a little walk in Annecy.
Sammy, we have his snacky. Should I get a snacky?
Yeah,
That is the Airbnb that we are staying in. We're staying in the top floor, the triplex suite. Wow. Trying an authentic hot chocolate from Annecy. I'm super excited. Look at that, it looks amazing. We are literally devouring all the crepes. Look at that, everyone's devouring everything.
What? Oh God.
We're all ready. I'm wearing the Jisoo lip oil, and then I also use the hair oil, and we're just waiting for my sister and Sam to get ready. But I'm really loving my makeup look today. I think it looks really nice and fresh.
I can't imagine him without his tail, you know.
Good morning from Annecy.
Annecy.
Annecy! The water is so clear, it's insane. And also it's super shallow. My swimming pool in school was deeper than this. This is how you know the hot chocolate is really good, when it's like floating out the edges.
That's sweet. Sweetie, where can we buy this?
This is the French fries. This is the chicken schnitzel, and
But do you
she's
wanna try
having
this
a.
beer?
No, it's okay.
It's like a lemon beer.
A lemon beer. No, it's okay. What is that called?
Do you want to try Tartiflette? You don't like some?
Tartiflette. So
Lemonade.
this is
A little
how
bit
they
sweet.
serve their chicken schnitzels. I have never had a chicken
Basically,
schnitzel
they
that's
put
served like this.
Lemonade, like
Wow.
my God.
Look at that. I just want to show you. Oh my god. Oh. But it's like actually like a chicken, like a whole chicken, and then there's cheese on top. That's insane.
And bacon.
And bacon.
It's like cooked amazingly as well. Amazingly. It's cooked very tenderly.
it's not raw.
I would suggest especially do this. Is it possible?
Getting a authentic crepe.
You want sugar with?
Oh oui, merci.
Yeah, sure. To get pictures of things.
Something that hangs around your neck, so you can
Yeah.
quickly bring it up.
With the chantilly?
You also drink one.
Oh yeah.
You also drink one.
Ah,
I think she puts
In France, I'm not quite sure.
it's really nice.
They got it from us.
Really nice. How'd you pronounce it? La femme de Marie. And we have connecting balconies. This is our room. Me and my mom are staying here, where they're gonna get twin beds for us. And we got a TV, closet. We got a desk, full-length mirror. And then our bathroom, which is freaking amazing, by the way. Also full-length mirror here. And whatever this is, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a note. And then a bathtub. Oh my god. And a shower as well. That's amazing. I desperately needed a shower and a bath. Yeah, this is the bathroom. So as soon as you open this door, you get Alfie's food here. And then you walk into their door and they have a nice closet. And then their bathroom here. And then there's stairs going down. And this is their bed. Max, mom, and then desk. This is the dog pet-friendly room. But yeah, that's little Alfie settling in, and they gave little dog biscuits as well. This is basically like a spa hotel, but I got my period yesterday, so I don't even know how I'm supposed to be going like swimming or like dipping in the hot tubs. This is insane, but look at the view. The view is actually insane. Like usually when this is like snowing, it'll be like covered in snow, like fully covered, and even the hills are covered, and you can see like the gondola, which is like what everyone takes to go up to go ski, which is usually over there, and then this whole thing would be covered in like snow. But we came like off season, so we got a pretty good deal for the room as well.
Huh?
A random
That's what I'm
restaurant.
saying. We have a big clip
Montagne.
and then have
We're
a
at
nice.
La Montagne
And
in
maybe we'll
Montagne.
do the
Good news, tomorrow our reservation is confirmed.
What is it?
Swahoy.
Swahoy for 7:30.
Nice.
What is
Thai.
Swahoy?
Nice Thai.
It's a nice Thai, but it's like a. I do feel like even though you're going back to Thailand, it's nice to see how it is over here.
Oh, 100%. Today is
How about you
super
see how
cold.
it is? See how it goes.
Oh,
You
it's
can book
so
it last
Closer,
minute.
closer to the mountains.
It's really
Closer to
fun.
the
I would say
mountains, so
super
it's
worth it.
hella cold. Food came. This one is the chicken toast. What is that? Sausage. This is
Hey,
the
bacon
Caesar
grilled
salad,
sausage.
and then Sam got the. What'd you get?
Tartar. I've never had a tartar before, so I'm just going tartar for the first time. I hope it'll help me with my bowel movements.
He had a tartar 5 days in a row. Sausage.
Is it off? This is good. That one's one.
Now that we're in here, that is the traditional Japanese onsen bath. This is the cold one, and then this is the hot one. And then this one is the steam room. And then these are baths, or shower baths. Oh, I'm not sure what this one is. I think, oh, these are like the old baths that you pull this and then, oh. And then this is a sauna. a sauna room. And then this one is also a sauna room. This is the second sauna room. Alright, I'm in the onsen. It is insanely amazing.
Do it again, do it again. Go.
The pool is really, really nice. I just got out of the hot tub and now I'm in Two rats coming in my freaking frame. So we're eating breakfast. There's waffles and these are really crispy, like super crispy waffles. She's eating her eggs. And then there's cornflakes. And then there's an omelet, pancakes, crepes, banana bread, and then granola, and then an iced cappuccino. And then Mom, what are you eating?
2 boiled eggs.
2 boiled eggs.
Mom and pancakes.
Pancakes.
Ice latte.
Ice latte.
And fruits.
We are checking out a Femme de Marie. Goodbye view. We are gonna check out soon, and I have just ordered an hot chocolate for myself.
You can add
And then, Max, what did you order? What did you order? Mochaccino. And then this one is Sam's is what? Sam's is
another mochaccino.
a mochaccino. And then Mom's is
Almond milk ice latte.
an almond milk iced latte because she bougie like that. But mine is a hot chocolate. And I'm really excited to try the hot chocolate.
Sounds like the name of the Punjabi IT.
When in France, McDonald's, they have macarons. And then they have pistachio. What is that?
What's a group shake?
It was a meme.
Okay, I might do a sundae or petit sundae. I might do a petit one.
So they have
Pistachio.
small sundaes. That's so cute.
I also got,